Hello everyone, you're watching Reviving India and this is the fifth tutorial of LangChain Mastery Series. So in this video, we will be learning about chat conversation. You heard about chat model in our second video, but what is the difference between chat model and chat conversation? So usually what happens, guys, whenever we wanted to ask something and then you guys are LLM.invoke you're doing, then you have to rerun your notebook. Okay, and once you enter your prompt and then you run and then you will get the answer. But the chat conversation is just like something look like ChatGPT, where you don't have to run your entire notebook. Once you run, then okay. If you are running, you are asking a question, you're getting answer. You're asking a question, you're getting answer. That is called chat conversation. So let's jump to the Jupyter notebook, and simply by using a Python small step, we can convert a chat model into a chat conversation. So here you can see, guys, our chat model code. So if you can see here, whenever I have to change the prompt, so let's say if I run this code and let's say I wanted to know who is the PM of US, and if I run this code, I have to rerun the cell which I want to avoid. Okay. In that case, we will be converting a chat model into the chat conversation. So let me create another notebook for you. That is called 05 chat conversation. And what will we here will be doing? First, let me copy all those code which is required. That is called header. That is, second is basically the LLM model, and the third is LLM invoke. And after that, we will be changing the code which is required for chat conversation. And if you don't know about these codes, then you can watch our previous video so that you know about these codes, how we have created from the scratch. So let me copy those. First, this is a header since we are using the provider chat Groq. And let me copy the LLM initialization. So let me add plenty of notebooks, and here we have to run this. So now I will copy the LLM invoke. And what we have to do? So we have to do some Python programming in such a way that we will not running this cell again and again. How we can do that? So we will be using simply input function. So let's say message is equal to input, and here let's say me. Okay. And after that, what you have to do, you have to replace this entire hard-coded thing with this variable. And you have to put entire all this code into the loop. That's it. Let me do that. And here we can write bot or something like that. Okay. And here. And now let's see, if I run this code, it is asking me that as a me, what I will give the prompt. Let's say, who is PM of India, and the bot is giving the answer. The Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. Now again, me, who is where is Patna located? Patna is located in India, especially it is the capital state of Bihar. See, now I don't have to run my cell. Okay, so that is the difference between a chat model and the chat conversation. So hope you guys like this video. If you have any problem, please share the screenshot or any message in our comment section. Please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Reviving India.